How to add Instagram link on Facebook. Open a Facebook app on your phone. It may be iPhone or Android. Look for the menu option. Tap on it. Here you will find your name. Tap on it to access your profile. On your profile page, locate and tap on the Edit Profile button. Scroll down to find the Links section. Tap on the Add button next to Links. Choose the visibility settings. Public, Friends, Only Me. Then go back. Tap on Add Social Link. Select Instagram from the platform options. Enter your Instagram username, found on your Instagram profile page. Tap on Done after entering the username. Confirm the Instagram logo appears. Tap Save at the top right of the Edit Links page. Wait for the confirmation that the link is added. Go back to your profile and refresh the page. Confirm the Instagram link is visible under your details. Then, click on 3 dots and select View As to see how others will view your profile. And that's it.